Hi dear viewers, welcome to Infinity Ahzee channel.
Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students. Using of turn. The ordinary applications of this verb are well known, but it has some peculiar meanings. One of them being to become, to change into. As water by freezing turns to ice. The milk will specially turn sour. Monica's hair has quickly turned grey. Other meanings appear in the following. In his difficulties, he does not know where to turn. That means where to have recourse to. He is turned 50 means he has passed his 50th year. Turn as a noun occurs in phrases. A turn, a walk in the park. At every turn means constantly at every moment. The students must answer in turn, that is, one after another, each in his order. Turn and turnabout means the same as in turn. To do one a good turn is to do him a kindness at an opportune time. To do one an ill turn is to do him an injury. As, if you withdraw your application in favor of mine, you will do me a good turn.
Thank you so much for joining us. Hope to see you next. Please take it easy. Have a good time. Good luck. Bye.